everyone, this is Mitchell. A few of you expressed some interest in what I had to say about, using Microsoft Word for citations and formatting, and so I just thought I'd share that with you now. I apologize if there's any formatting issues. If there are, just let me know, and I'll do my best to kind of show you in person or give that sort of one-on-one help. But essentially, I'm just here to talk about different styles and what makes my paper, or at least this format, seem professional when in reality it's just the mad ramblings of me at close to 1 in the morning. So without further ado, how I got everything to look the way they are is essentially using the styles bar. So as you can see my mouse up here, I can manipulate the way that the text appears on the page by simply using the pre-formatted styles, either making it bolded, making it bold, or appear larger or smaller than it already is. A brief note now about bullet points. I think it looks really nice and snazzy if you use Roman numerals, and you just do that by choosing a style format and typing out the thoughts as I have below. But the main point of interest, I think, for most people will be in the references page. Many of you might be wondering, gee, Mitchell, how do you get such a professional looking paper? Well, wait no longer. Essentially, what I do is type out a quote. And instead of doing it the typical way, which is Scene 3, Act 3, line 87, all you need to do is insert a footnote. And you can just type the necessary information down there, which is an even easier way to do that is to insert a citation. Instead of typing all this wonderful stuff out, all you have to do is go here, click Add New Source, and there you go. All you have to do is type in all the necessary information. If you need more for some reason, you can have all these different sources, but by and large, I haven't found that necessary. So the great thing about this is that after you insert those sources, they appear right here. So for me, with Steinbeck, all I have to do is click that, and it appears there. If I want to change the formatting of that, say I want to add a page number or get rid of the author, year, and title, all I have to do is add it in the text box. Now the cool thing about that is you can change the edition to pretty much any of the ones listed above. It might vary from processor to processor depending on how recent yours is, but hey, knock yourself out. Also, if you want to insert a bibliography, they have built-in formatting ones with references, works cited, and annotated bibliographies. If you want to manage your sources, example again is the information that you put in is all compiled into this master list, and so if you want it as a drop-down option, it's important to select here, copy, and it'll show up onto your current list, which is, I guess, a way to separate by document. But all in all, it's a good way of understanding your work. So one last bit before I go to bed for some much needed sleep is a way of organizing your document. So one way to do that is to use different headings on your paper. So if I go to this and separate these based on different headings, as an example, just going to use the first 4, and then go to View, I can go to Outline, and then each heading here is collapsible and contains all the information under it. So if you're going to organize it by critics or ideas like I do right here, all I'd have to do is organize it under certain different categories, and then I can navigate through it in my document. Again, that's more of just an afterthought, but I hope this comes in handy. Let me know if it's helpful or not. And with that, good luck on your thesis. Thanks for watching.